Hello guys and welcome back again sa ating channel. For today's video, we will talk about Blue Snake. Ayan, kung nakakapag-earn na sila ng mga free tokens, so tayo din. Ayan, so free token na to, check in with Ton. So start natin, kailangan nyo lang i-connect yung Ton Keeper nyo at meron na kayong 250,000 na points agad-agad. So join TPAT community, so check in nyo lang yan, mission complete, so 500 points agad yon. Follow TPAT Raffle on Twitter, ayan. Follow lang din natin sila sa Twitter. So, follow natin na ganyan. Okay? And then, try natin kung makiklaim natin. So, check. Yun, na-claim natin 500 points. Comment Blue Snake on Twitter. Ayan. So, comment lang tayo dito ng post reply to the moon. Yun, reply. And then, back tayo sa Telegram. So, check in. Check. Yun, tapos na agad. Show your love with comments and show your love with check Snake WP. Ayan. Check natin to kung ano to. Yung white paper pala, story. White paper for Blue Snake on the base. Thanks for interest in Snake token. Although we are a meme coin, we also have a serious side. Through the below section in the white paper, you will get to know more information about our vision and goals. Goals and philosophy. Ayan. So, build a trusted community token that thrives in market volatility. Cultivate a global community of over 1,000 or 1 million holders. Establish a strong presence of a major exchange. Achieve widespread recognition with over 1,000 or 1 million followers on Twitter. Create sustainable revenue stream that rewards our holders and fuel continued growth. AA Blue Snake in 2025 Q1. Community and links are available here in the white paper. Okay, or you can also find it on my description down below and comment section, guys. Okay, so check 3,000 points. Snake Labs Ton. What's this? Okay, connect wallet lang ulit and then meron ka na namang, so check, wala pa tayong nai-invite. So kung may invite kayo na 15 friends, you will get 5,000. 7, 2,500. Invite 3 friends and then 1,000 points. Follow Snake on Twitter again and then you will get 500 points. So just open it up. Okay. And then check. Mission complete and we get 500 points again. And this is the airdrop, guys. If you want to buy the SSS pass, you will need to connect your wallet or your Ton Keeper, guys. Ito yung mga kailangan nyong malaman about sa pass. So, TGE benefits. So, malamang kayo mauuna sa TGE. APY times 2. Double daily check-in and plus 30% mission boost. SSS badge. O maybe later, no? Halimbawa, nag-mission ka dito. Kung 500 yan, 1.5 mo kuha mo kung meron kang triple pass. 10,000 points na tayo, mga boss. Okay? So, yun lang muna for today's video at nabigyan ko na kayo ng isang magandang airdrop dito sa ating channel. Again, bye-bye. Maraming salamat.